Hey, what's up guys, this is Gulshan Sharma and I'm back again with my video on Python programming. So let's do it. Here you can see we have taken a string named kickers coders back and backslash n. So it's like a new line character actually. So in our code we might sometimes be required to remove that new line character. So we will do just like this is.rstrip. It's a method provided in Python library. It's quite rich actually. Python library is quite rich. As.rstrip, and it removes the null and character. Actually it creates a new object, reference to a new object. So we would actually have to assign it to something, so we can actually use it in future. So h is equal to s.rstrip, and here it goes. H is without the new line character. Now then we have various other methods too in Python which are quite useful, which I might love to tell you. Then s dot, yeah, which I would tell you, like this is one of them. S dot starts with, and we can find out the string which it starts with. Does it start with kick? Let's see. Yeah, no, false, it doesn't start with kick. And then what does it start with? It starts with kick, we see, but you see there's a difference. Actually I used by mistake uppercase character. See, s dot starts with kick, and that's true. Yeah, it starts with kick. So we can find out the thing, the string, the anything that the string starts with. So it starts with kick, so yes, yeah, it's true. S dot ends with, what does it end with? ERS. Let's see. Yeah, no, it doesn't end with ERS. Okay, then what does it ends with? S dot ends with coders. False. It's still not true. Why? Because we missed the new line character here. So if we want to do that, we would have to do either this ends with ERS, yeah, true, or ends with this. It's so, yeah, भी सही है, it's true also. Yeah, actually I have been telling that these are the methods, but I guess I should give you a bit more intro about what are methods. So if we have an object here, we have an object type, you know what the object is. So anything that we reference with the help of our variables, that's the object. So we have our object here, and then any function that has been provided in Python to do some stuff with that object, that's known as its method. And whatever we input in that method, that's known as its argument. So there might be argument, or there might be arguments. So it's quite, so it's like that, object dot method, and that in the brackets, in the parentheses, you gotta insert the arguments, and then you get the result. So this is how it is. Let's talk about string formatting now. I guess we have talked about it before also, but let's just revise a bit. I have a percent, so yeah, percent s, yeah, I have a percent s, and I just put it like that. So we know this is the format specifier for strings. Percent s, it's the format specifier for strings. Then and then in front of this I just gotta put it like, I have a what do I have? I have a bird. No, I have a laptop. I have a laptop. Yeah, I have a laptop. So it just got replaced by this format specifier, just got replaced by whatever I put it like this. This is the format of actually how we do it. we put the format specifier here, and then whatever we wanna replace it with, the thing, the the variable which contains its value, we put it like here, and then it happens. I used this parentheses here. Are they important here? No, they are not. They are just optional, but if you have like this something, I have %d %s, and then they become quite important. So quite kind of good formatting. I have %d %s, and then %1 laptop, and see what do we get here. I have one laptop, so here %d got replaced by 1, %s got replaced by laptop, and this is one type of formatting that we have in Python. The laptops gets plugged in here at the place of %s, one gets plugged in at the place of %d. So it's quite good. And there's this new kind of formatting that has been introduced in the newer versions of Python. I guess it wasn't in Python 2.6 2.7, but it has been introduced in Python 3. So here is the new formatting style that we use. I have, and then curly braces 01 dot format. I know it's quite in the beginning you might think that these syntaxes, these all things, these are weird, but as you proceed with them they would make more sense. It happens when you start it at the beginning. I have 0 and then 1 dot format. Then let's decipher it a bit. That's clear, have clear, 0. These curly braces 0, actually it's the position. It signifies the position of the stuff that we put in here. So at the 0th position we have 1, so the 1 got one replaced this 0 here, and then this position 1, the position 1 is held by this laptop, so laptop got here. Just to make it a bit more clear, I have laptop, and then here it is. Oops, sorry, actually I replaced both sides. I just had to do it once. I have to replace it here, and then laptop. I have laptop 1. So the first position is held by laptop, so laptop got plugged in here, and then the 0th position held by 1, so 0 got plugged in here, this is how it works. So thank you guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share, tag, whatever you wanna do, just share it. Thank you guys.